top of my fidget-gator. You're not supposed to be up there. Hey, Angie. What you doing up there? Are you chewing on stuff? Yeah? What? No. I'm not giving you baby food. You're too old for baby food. Yeah. Go have some birdie bread. Go have some birdie bread. No, you're not allowed to be up there. You gotta come down now. Come on. Come on, you. Come on, you. Come here. Good girl. Fly away. There she goes. On her spot. She's a good girl. See, there's corns. There's corns. And I baked you some bread. It's in the other cup. What you getting into, girl? What you getting into? Huh? Doing some cheek rubs? Cheeky rubs? You do cheeky rubs? Oh. You're funny. And the beans always get so jealous when Angel gets pets. Goodness. Oh my goodness. What's up with the camera? Beans, don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. What? I can't pet Angel at all. What? I can't pet her? But she likes to be pet. She likes her cheekies rubbed. See, she likes that. Look at her eyes. Kind of freaky. Whoa. Hey, what? I can't pet her? I get so jealous. Hey, I can't pet her at all? I can't pet her? What? I can't? She wants me to pet her cheekies. Come on. She just wants to be pet, Bean. It's okay. He's just upset because he's not getting pet. He wants to get pet, but then he doesn't really want to get pet. He just doesn't want anybody else to get pet. Her. I'm getting her cheekies. Oh, you want to be pet too? Come here. So